Hi everyone, I made this video to show you how to work around a table in Microsoft Word. So just with a single mouse click, you can actually select the entire row or column or the entire table or one cell. Okay, so this is going to be very useful as part of your computer application skill. Alright, so let's start. To select a row, make sure that the mouse cursor is on the left side of the table. And you can see it is a white slanted arrow, and I've just clicked it and I've selected row 1. Same goes for row 2, click, row 3 and row 4. Okay, this is selecting row. To select column, go to the top of each column. The mouse cursor will actually turn into a black arrow that is pointing downwards. So click column 1 and column 2 and column 3. Okay, now if you were to select this instead, the square cross cursor, you will actually select the entire table. And to select only one cell is not this, because this is to edit the words in the cell. Okay, so to select one cell, the entire cell, you will need to place your mouse cursor somewhere to the left of the cell. Let's use 1936 as an example. This is the cell. Okay, to the left of the cell is over here, and the mouse cursor will turn into black arrow that is pointing into the cell. So click, you have selected the entire cell. To select 1936 and 1942, just click and drag, and this is how to select both cells at the same time. Okay, so with the skills that you've just learned, you can actually do this. Click, right click, insert row, click on the column, right click, insert columns. So if you notice, the column that you highlight, if you were to right click and say insert columns, it will always appear on the left side of the highlighted column. Okay, so if I were to insert columns again, there will be then 2 columns that are empty beside this column. Alright, these are the 2 empty columns. Okay, so you can do this. Now the third thing that you learn is to select the entire table. If you were to select the entire table, you can always go to File or Format, Borders and Shading, and change the style of the borders. The lines are the borders. Okay, and lastly, if you were to select the cell itself, let's say computer history, inventors, inventions, click on the cell, I can immediately type and replace it with the word, for example, error. Okay, so this is a short video on how to work around tables in Microsoft Word. I hope it will help you in future.